Whoever told you you need to sleep 8 hours every night, they straight up lied to you, bro. The amount of time you need to sleep every night fully depends on whether you're a wolf, a dolphin, a lion, or a bear. I know. This is called your chronotype, which is your body's natural rhythm. So today, I'm gonna show you which of these chronotypes you naturally are so you can sleep less and feel more energized. First, let's go over the chronotype test. You don't need 8 hours of sleep to truly feel rested. You need to know your sleep animal or chronotype, and you not sleeping according to your chronotype could actually be making you dumber. You see, science shows that when you're, for example, an evening chronotype, you actually perform worse when you try to do a morning task. And this goes so deep that you not sleeping based on your chronotype can even explain your depression and anxiety. Now, the easiest test to find your chronotype is to look at the time that you naturally fell asleep last night without caffeine, without being on your phone, and without forcing yourself to go to sleep. And then you're gonna match it to one of these 4 animal chronotypes. First, you have the dolphin. If you just naturally have no bed pattern, some nights you'll go to sleep at 1 in the morning. Other nights, you'll go to sleep at 9 at night. However, every day, you still somehow feel tired. You are a dolphin chronotype, and only 10% of the population falls into this. Your brain is probably hyperactive at night, which means you're an overthinker and a perfectionist. The second is a wolf. If you naturally fall asleep around 12 p.m. and then wake up around 8 a.m., you are a wolf, and about 15% of the population falls into this. Your best focus is in the afternoon and the evening, and the mornings feel brutal for you. Most creatives, they fall into this chronotype. Third is the lion. If you naturally fall asleep at 9 p.m. and you can wake up at 5 a.m. every morning without an alarm, you're a lion, and around 15% of the population falls into this chronotype. You're most productive early in the morning, and you lose a lot of energy after 2 p.m. And finally, we have the bear chronotype. If you naturally fall asleep between 10 and 11 at night and wake up at 7 in the morning, you are a bear, and 55% of the population falls into this. That means 1 in 2 of you watching probably are a bear, and that's why the work and school schedule is shaped around this chronotype. If you made it to the end and you're still not sure which chronotype you are, you're probably a bear. Now that you know what chronotype you are, here's what you should and shouldn't do for each. Let's start with the dolphin. If you're this perfectionist that you can't sleep at night because your brain's always overthinking, you fall into a small group of people that are called the dolphin chronotype. You're just 10% of the population, but here's what you're doing wrong. Do not force yourself to go to sleep if you're a dolphin chronotype. You keep trying to force this sleep schedule, thinking that structure is going to solve your insomnia. But if you're a dolphin, these rigid bedtime routines, they just don't work. Your brain, it's wired differently, and this is some of your most creative time. Here's what you should do instead. Now, if you ever wake up out of your sleep and you want to fall asleep right away, here's what you should do. This sleep hack, it works better than melatonin for dolphins, and it's completely natural. When you close your eyes, slowly roll them into a circle, almost as if you're trying to trace the inside of your eye socket. This signals to your brain that it's time to shut down. It works because it mimics the exact same eye movement pattern that your brain uses during REM sleep. The goal here is not to block your creative brain's process as a dolphin. Instead, it's to focus your thoughts and avoid noisy distractions. So, if you can't fall asleep, put on some noise-canceling headphones. Roll your eyes inside all the way around your eye socket. Before you even realize it, you'll be sound asleep. Bonus tip, make sure that your headphones that you use are actually comfortable. The standard ones, they usually hurt my ears, which makes your sleep worse. I use the Soundcore Sleep A30 Special because it has a customizable fit that fits perfectly into your ear canal where it's flush. You almost don't even notice they're inside. They feel like they were made for my ear canal and I forget they're there. I can easily sleep on my side without any issue. And if you find it hard to switch off at night because of all your racing thoughts and everything you're worried about,
You can play calm audio inside the Soundcore app. You get free access to a curated selection of calm audio.
Next, let's move on to the wolf chronotype. If you feel energized at night, but just terrible in the mornings, even after 8 hours of sleep, just like your doctor told you, that means that you're a wolf chronotype and you're only 15% of the population. But here's what you're doing wrong. Don't sleep for 8 hours. Everyone tells you get your 8 hours of sleep, but this doesn't work because not everyone is the same, especially if you're a wolf. Most wolves will try to force 8 hours of sleep. They'll use the sleep trackers, the melatonin, or just force themselves to try to get up earlier so that you're tired at night. But none of this works because it goes against your biology. And science backs this up because if you're between the ages of 26 and 64 years old, you only need between 6 to 8 hours of sleep and you can function perfectly with only 6 hours of sleep, especially if it's uninterrupted hours. So here's what you should do instead as a wolf. Here's how you're gonna sleep only 6 hours, but feel more energized than ever. Stop sleeping with me on. Any form of bright light keeps your brain in an awake state and destroys deep sleep. Stop wearing socks as you sleep. What type of psychopath does that? Not only does it cut blood flow circulation, but it also increases body temperature, which destroys deep sleep. Stop showering with hot water before you sleep. Your body temperature needs to be slow so it can rest better. Shower with lukewarm water instead. Stop sleeping with your window closed. A cooler room that's right around 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius will cool down your body faster so you can enter deep sleep. Stop sleeping with all this noise in your room. Whether it's the TV, your neighbors, appliances humming, or pet noises, it's going to destroy your sleep. That's when I pull out my Soundcore Sleep A30 Special, which uses a triple noise reduction system. When you put these on, you're getting ANC, which is active noise cancellation, PNC, which is passive isolation, and finally, the case works as adaptive snore masking technology if you have a partner that snores at night. Yo, I hear nothing. Like, this thing fully puts on mute everything outside of my room, effectively reducing any outside noise, allowing me to go into deep sleep. But what's even more effective is their AI brainwave audio. When you turn them on, it produces local binaural beats that calms your brain. And bro, I sleep like a baby when I turn this on. If you want to have the most relaxing and deepest sleep of your life, I need you to check out these Soundcore Sleep A30 Special. In the description, it's gonna be the best sleep you've ever had, especially if you have a noisy environment or you have trouble sleeping. If you guys wanna check it out, it'll be linked down below. Next, let's move to the lion chronotype. If you naturally fall asleep at 9 p.m. and you can wake up without an alarm at 5 in the morning, you're probably a lion chronotype. Only 15% of the people in the world are lions, and you're wired to win in the mornings. But here's what you're doing wrong. You should never go to sleep after 11 p.m. if you're a lion chronotype. It is the worst mistake you can make since your body is naturally an early riser and you'll be up by 5 in the morning. It is so bad that men who sleep 5 hours just one night have testosterone levels equivalent to someone that's 10 years older than them. So if you're 20, you have the testosterone levels of a 30-year-old, meaning your body is aging faster just because you can't get your sleep right. So here's what you should do instead. You need to change the direction of how you sleep in your bed if you want better sleep. So before you go to sleep, you're going to pull out your compass. I'm not even playing with you right now. This is scientifically backed. The way your head faces could literally change your brain while you sleep. Researchers split participants into 2 different sleep orientation groups. Group 1 slept north to south, while Group 2 slept east to west. Then both groups' brain activity was tracked overnight using EEGs. Here's where the difference showed up. They were specifically analyzing their brainwave bands, which is their delta, theta, and alpha. These are the waves that are directly tied to deep sleep and relaxation. North and south sleepers showed significantly more delta, theta, and alpha brainwaves than east to west side sleepers, which are markers of higher sleep quality. So here's how you're gonna check your alignment. I want you to grab your iPhone, open the compass app, and slowly rotate until you find north. Now, look at where your head is when you're laying in bed. If it's not pointing toward the magnetic north and south pole, fix it tonight and feel the difference. This is where I personally use my Soundcore Sleep A30 Special. These things are optimized specifically for sleep. These earbuds have thousands of 5-star reviews, and a lot of people say it's like flipping the switch in their sleep quality. And the best part is that my Soundcore Sleep A30 Special, they stay in place no matter how much I move or where I'm laying my head. So I want you to try it tonight. Try the north-south position, put on some nice headphones, and if you don't have some, I recommend Soundcore for sleeping. I'm gonna link them down below. There's also gonna be a special promo that's gonna make it an absolute steal. That is a limited time discount that it's gonna expire soon. So pick them up and start getting your best night's sleep. Now let's move on to the bear chronotype. If you fall asleep naturally between 11 p.m. and midnight and you wake up between 6 in the morning and 8 in the morning, you are a bear, the most common chronotype in the population, because 55% of you fall into this chronotype. But here's what you're doing wrong. You see, most schedules like school and work, they're all shaped around this chronotype. You assume you're normal, so you've never optimized your sleep, but that's why you still wake up tired with low energy every day. Here's what I want you to do. I have 4 sleep hacks that I want you to implement. If you have any problems sleeping, number 4 is the most important. Number 1, if you have a racing brain, start taking vitamin B1. Number 2, start eating a cup of berries before going to sleep. A small cup of berries will help restore your glucose balance, giving you better quality sleep. Number 3, eat some kefir over yogurt. This contains more protein, calcium, and magnesium than yogurt does, and it naturally stimulates melatonin production. Add a pinch of salt to a cup of water before going to sleep. Drink that cup of water to reduce cortisol levels, your main stress hormone, so you can enter deep sleep faster and stay asleep.